So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 10 questions to answer on the topic conservation of natural resources. So guys, in this video, we'll talk about the soil, water, wildlife, mineral, and so on. So it's just to stay till the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, a known weight of soil sample was oven dried to obtain a constant weight. The loss in weight was due to loss of A. Water and organic matter, B. Inorganic matter and water, C. Organic matter only, D. Water only. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, and that's water only. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. And that's question number 2 here. It says, which of the following resources cannot be conserved? We have A. Water, B. Forest, C. Garbage, D. Soil. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. That's garbage. So that's it for that question, guys. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 3 here. It says, which of the following substances is not a conservable natural resource? We have A. Water, B. Mineral, C. Soil, D. A. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D, and that's A. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 4 here. It says, a property of clay soil that prevents it from supporting thick vegetation is its A. Inability to retain much water, B. Porosity and low water retention ability, C. Tendency of becoming waterlogged, and D. Composition of chemically weathered granite rocks. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. That's tendency of becoming waterlogged. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 5 here. It says, a species whose population has become extinct if not protected is A. Endangered species, B. Special species, C. Dangerous species, D. Important species. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, and that's endangered species. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. So that's question number 6 here. It says, which of the following statements is true about sandy soil? It's A. Is heavily and poorly irrigated. Is heavy and poorly irrigated. B. Drains slowly. C. Is light and easy to dig. D. Has limited airspace. So guys, the answer to this question here is option C. Is light and easy to dig. And that's it for that question, guys. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 7 here. It says, the burning of farmlands should be discouraged because it A. Increases the dormancy period of some seeds, B. Destroys the organic component of the soil, C. Increases the population of wild animals on the farm, and D. Destroys some plant species. So guys, the answer to this question here is option B here. It destroys the organic components of the soil, and that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 8 here. It says, endangered species are organisms that are A. Likely to disappear from the surface of the earth, B. Reproducing profusely in an area, C. Dangerous to humans and attacking other animals, D. Likely to migrate to other favorable lands. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A. Likely to disappear from the surface of the earth. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 9 here. It says, the following practices are aimed at soil conservation except A. Application of manures, B. Bush clearing, C. Contour ridging, and D. Strip cropping. So guys, the answer to this question here is option B, and that's bush clearing. So guys, as we already know, bush clearing should be the odd option here because the Soil conservation practices should be practices that are aimed at preventing the erosion of soil or carrying away of the soil surfaces. So option B is the answer to this question, and that's bush clearing, since bush clearing is the odd option here. So it is the only option here that is not aimed at soil conservation. And already, like we've said, soil conservation involves practices that help to prevent soil erosion or degrading the quality of the soil. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next and the last question. That's question number 10 here. It says the primary cause of species endangerment is A. Acid rain, B. Increase in temperature, C. Exposure to hazardous waste, D. Disappearing habitats. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's disappearing habitats. So that's the answer to this question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.